off Akira. This is Kiko. This right here hiding is Hachi. This is Hachi. Wrestling match going on over here. Got a little girl getting beaten up by a little boy. These are the two boys available. This one right here, he's the dark brindle. And right here, the light brindle. Light brindle has a little white mask, see? This one's just a tiny little white mark. This little girl right here, she's available. She's a gray one with a white mask. Getting beat up by her brothers. And then if I can get to her, this gorgeous little girl right here is getting her face eaten off. Right here, the little brown one. Kiko's eating my hand. This is Kiko, she's not available. Argument among siblings. This is Nanook. Nanook's not available. But like I said. That one. And this one are the boys. This is one of the awesome girls.